Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make Roblox weapons in Blender. First, you'll want to download and install Blender, which is completely free and incredibly powerful for three-dimensional modeling. Take a few moments to get comfortable with its interface and navigation. Understanding the basic controls, like moving around the viewport and selecting objects, will make your modeling journey much smoother. Setting up your workspace efficiently will also save you a lot of time. Now, let's dive into modeling your weapon. Start by blocking out the primary shape using basic geometric forms like cubes or cylinders. Think of it as sketching in 3 dimensions. Then, you'll refine this initial shape by extruding faces, scaling edges, and adding loop cuts to create more complex geometry. Don't forget to add those intricate details, like triggers, scopes, or magazines, to make your weapon truly stand out. With your model complete, it's time to bring it to life with textures and materials. First, you'll need to unwrap your model, which essentially flattens its 3-dimensional surface into a 2-dimensional layout. This allows you to paint or apply images onto it. Next, create or import high-quality textures for various material properties, such as color, metallic sheen, and roughness. Apply these textures, carefully adjusting their scale and rotation to achieve a realistic appearance. Finally, let's get your awesome weapon into Roblox Studio. Export your completed model from Blender as an FBX file. This format is widely compatible. Then, open Roblox Studio and use the Asset Manager to import your FBX file. Once imported, you can insert your weapon into your game. Remember to configure its properties, like collision and anchoring, and add any necessary scripts to make it fully functional and ready for players to use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.